We are just looking at how to help families get food on the table, clean, delicious food on the table, saving money, keeping them at a budget, the good old-fashioned way.
What is going on, everyone? Welcome to the show today. I have Nikki Tomaino with me. Nikki is an owner at a place called Easy Peasy Kitchen, which features homemade meals delivered to their door. Nikki had no intention of ever starting this business, which is why her story is so phenomenal. Nikki, welcome to the show.
Hi, how are you?
I am doing great. Thank you so much for being on. So talk to us a little bit. Let's start with what Easy Peasy Kitchen is, what it does. Give me the elevator pitch.
Okay, so Easy Peasy Kitchen is for crazy busy moms and yes, dads too. And it's teaching high efficiency skills to get food on the table stat. Because in our family, we love to eat around the dinner table. We love to be together. And so the more we can bring families back together, that's our heart. And so we have 3 tiers. We have a premier service where we actually prep out all the food and deliver it. So we have about 200 servings every Monday that goes out to various clients. It shows up at their door, and then they have about 30 minutes of just cooking. So like, if you're familiar with like what Blue Apron was or some of those other services, you would get the box and it would have maybe the ginger with the onion and all the whole ingredients in it. We've already chopped down the onion, the ginger, put it together in its marinade, and your meat is already marinating. And so then now you just have to pull it out and cook it. We make everything from scratch, and we follow a paleo-esque model. So everything is made right there and super healthy.
Nice. You don't need any knife skills?
What?
You don't need any knife skills? Like no one's dicing onions? I love it.
Done. It's all like, that's why like these moms, they're like, I feel gourmet because they can just like drop it in, and then they're like, this is awesome. And I've had one client who, I think for probably 6 months, she didn't tell her husband that like she was doing none of this, right?
That's awesome.
I was like, I'm not going to do anything. And then we also do recipes. So those same recipes that we make the meals for the premier clients, we have just the recipes, and we do everything the Easy Peasy Kitchen way. So it's super simple, easy. We break it down. We've got a process and efficiency that we look at things. And then that's emailed to you weekly. And then we have various courses online, from Instant Pot courses and Vault videos to a cookbook. And we're October 5th getting ready to launch an Power Hour meal prep program that actually I'm really excited. It comes with this box.
Oh, look at the box.
Helped me design. So anyway, yeah, we are just looking at how to help families get food on the table, clean, delicious food on the table, saving money, keeping them at a budget, the good old-fashioned way.
I love it. A lot of the girls that I dated did, either Sunshine Basket or Blue Apron or something like that. And your stuff is better than that because you're actually going and picking it up. Like I know we've had some discussions around like how you get the food, and you're local. You're not doing a nationwide delivery, right?
Not yet.